Hello, welcome to Snoring Sleepless Nights. We are here to investigate the legend of the Snoring Senora. We are here in the closet stone, and we have been lucky enough to find our sleeping Senora just across the ring, behind this door. We are going to go and investigate a bit more in 5. Just behind this door lays sleeping Senora. You can hear deadly cries from here. Wait, I'm about to have to be very quiet because we don't know what she's capable of. We don't even know if it's a shame. She can turn at any point. The deadly cries can be heard from over thousands of miles. Even the space people can hear it. She's usually louder than this, and legends tell that she's there goes one. Time to go and get a bit closer. Blowing a gale. We are now outside. As you can see, this is a door to our deadly lair. We're going to go in and get a bit of a closer view from the bottom end. Bottoms up, that's what I said. Right, here we go. She's moving. Sugar Blackberry. Okay, let's go for you. I'll take the camera. Looks like a dead body. Quick, run, go, go, go. Oh. Ah! There you go. Unfortunately, we couldn't get any more footage. The sleeping Senora has now gone apeshit.